In mining, performance isn't measured by effort, it's measured by production. Every hour of productivity matters, and efficient screening plays a critical role in keeping operations running at their best. At Australian Mining Product and Services, we provide advanced screening solutions engineered to perform from high-frequency polyurethane fine-screen mesh designed for precise material separation to durable polyurethane screen panels built for extended service life and robust trommel screening systems engineered for demanding applications. Our solutions are designed to maximize performance across every stage of the screening process. But effective screening is about more than equipment alone. One of the biggest challenges in screening operations is material buildup and screen blinding. When apertures become blocked, efficiency drops, throughput is reduced, and maintenance demands increase. That's why we offer self-cleaning screening solutions designed to keep operations moving. Featuring innovative deblinding arms and precision spray nozzle systems, our technology keeps screening surfaces clear, maintains consistent material flow, and helps operations perform at their peak. The result is improved screening efficiency, reduced downtime, lower maintenance requirements, and increased productivity. We offer a premium, reliable, cost-effective, and safer alternative, backed by a deep understanding of how critical on-time delivery is to every mining operation. Australian Mining Product and Services. Innovative screening solutions. Reliable performance, delivered on time.